What's up guys? Today's video is
top
on 5 best electric bikes in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information, have included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and do not forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Let's dive into our first product, the Jasion EB5 Electric Bike, which is popularly recognized as the best long-range electric bike in 2024. This bike boasts a carbon steel frame that offers unrivaled stability, coupled with 26-inch puncture-resistant tires that enhances durability. EB5 is powered by a robust 50-volt brushless motor and comes with an advanced LCD screen that features 15 levels of adjustable brightness. This screen serves as a powerful hub of data, featuring displays such as the accurate power percentage and customizable pause mode with up to 3 settings. One of the standout features of this bike is its 360-watt lithium-ion battery, which can provide a range of 25 to 40 miles per charge over a period of 5 to 6 hours. This makes it an ideal choice for daily commuting or casual travel. The EB5 offers 4 different operating modes: pause mode for pedal assist, pure electric mode, normal pedaling like any typical bike, and boost mode. Boost mode: the bike moves at a speed of 4.5 to 7.5 kilometers per hour, depending on the road conditions. This versatility allows you to tailor your ride, your specific needs or preferences, be it a leisurely cruise or a vigorous workout. Added safety: the bike comes with a Shimano 7-speed system, dual lights, and front and rear mechanical disc brakes. All these features combined make the Jasion EB5 Electric Bike an excellent choice for anyone seeking a dependable electric bike that can accompany them on any journey. Whether you're after a relaxed ride around the city or an intense workout in the park, Spike has got you covered. Its lightweight design makes it easy to navigate through the city, while its powerful motor ensures a smooth ride. No matter the terrain or weather conditions, I would highly recommend the Jasion EB5 Electric Bike to anyone in search of an efficient and affordable electric bike. The 26-inch puncture-resistant tires offer increased durability, and the high-strength front fork, Shimano 7-speed gears, dual lights, LCD screen, and rear mechanical disc brakes ensure a comfortable ride. Moreover, its high carbon steel triangular frame guarantees superior stability. It's definitely a thumbs up. Following product to discuss in our review lineup is Lectric XP 3.0, which we believe is the top folding electric bike in 2024. This folding Ebike with fat tires has been further refined and remains an economical option for city commuting. In its third version, Lectric has introduced subtle yet impressive changes, resulting in a more sophisticated and functional fat tire bike that continues to be enjoyable to ride. The best part, it arrives fully assembled. All you need to do is unpack it from the box and unfold it. Although it is somewhat heavy, it's smoother to fold than the less expensive, lighter Lectric XP Lite due to its smoother hinge. When making a purchase, opt for the Elite Bundle. It includes a larger seat, hanging seat post, bike lock, and Elite headlights. All excellent add-ons. Switch on the battery. Simply insert a wrench into the bottom frame of the down tube and flip it over. Then press the power button on the handlebars to activate XP 3.0. If you intend to park it outdoors frequently, key can also unlock the battery, allowing you to bring it for safekeeping and charging. The Lectric XP 3.0 is designed to rain in puddles without any issues. Thanks to waterproof electric components, its user-friendly and affordable design makes it an ideal electric bike for beginners. The 48-watt 7.0 battery takes just 4 to 6 hours to charge fully and fits neatly into the concealed battery compartment. The foldable frame makes the XP 3.0 easy to stow away. To set it up, simply unfold the frame, raise the handlebars, and secure both latches. Bike's sturdy appearance, with its thick aluminum tubing and robust welds, is immediately noticeable, reflecting excellent build quality. The frame and stem hinges are secured by strong latches with a trigger lock to prevent inadvertent release. The torque reflects how effectively the motor applies force to speed up the bike. You'll feel a powerful acceleration when the pedal assist is activated or when you engage the throttle. Lectric asserts that the XP 3.0 accommodates a remarkable height range of 5.0 inches 6 feet 4 inches, making it a suitable choice for most riders. Let's introduce you to the Ancheer Electric Mountain Bike, which in our view is the top mountain electric bike of 2024. You always want your electric bike, whether it's your first or an upgrade, to be unique and equipped with the latest technology. In features, the Ancheer Electric meets these expectations effortlessly. It offers an exciting, safe ride and comes with all the innovative features you could want. This isn't just a budget-friendly electric bike that gets you from way to B. It's a meticulously crafted vehicle that ensures you arrive in style and is loaded with numerous impressive features. Its build quality is commendable, boasting a robust frame that weighs a mere 26.5 pounds. Despite its lightweight design, it can support a maximum rider weight of 265 pounds. Additionally, it possesses IPX5 water resistance. The frame and suspension fork are forged from aluminum alloy, offering resistance against harsh weather and rough handling. This aluminum electric bike promises longevity, ensuring many years of service. What's more, the frame is foldable, allowing convenient storage and transportation, making it ideal for small apartments or car travel. In terms of aesthetics, this folding electric bike boasts a distinctive, futuristic design that is bound to captivate almost anyone. Its design, inspired by dolphins, is not something you encounter daily. The only standard-looking part might be the front fork. The large, rugged 12-inch tires handle various terrains with ease, making this bike as functional as it is attractive, regardless of whether you're commuting across town or exploring rural trails. Ancheer Electric Mountain Bike delivers a satisfying experience everywhere. A high-speed 350-watt motor powers it, reaching a top speed of 12 miles per hour and covering a distance of 12 miles. While this might not seem fast, it allows for swift travel. A 36-watt 6Ah battery provides the power. The Ancheer Folding Electric Mountain Bike ensures a smooth, comfortable ride, with its thick tires offering excellent train grip and shock absorption. Other notable features include an app and Bluetooth system that provide access to app speed settings, engine lock, mileage time recording, and Ebike self-testing. This model only has rear disc brakes, which work well but may require some adjustment. The lithium battery charges in less than 3 hours, providing 50 minutes of continuous use. The short charging time is indeed highlight. In conclusion, this electric bike is reliable, comfortable, and built to last, making it a worthwhile investment. Let's now shift our focus to Heybike Cityscape, which has earned its recognition as the best electric bike in 2024. Electric bikes have revolutionized urban commuting. The Heybike Cityscape is a testament to this evolution. Its sophisticated design and advanced features are setting new standards in the e-bike sector. The Heybike Cityscape sports a contemporary aesthetic that is pleasing to the eye while also being functional. It's been designed with city riding in mind, featuring a sleek frame geometry and an upright riding posture for optimum comfort and visibility. The frame is crafted from lightweight aluminum, ensuring durability without compromising audibility. The Cityscape, with its minimalist design and meticulous detailing, is a truly stylish and modern epic. Powering the Heybike Cityscape is a robust 350-volt brushless motor that delivers remarkable performance on city roads. Motor offers smooth and rapid assistance, enabling riders to easily navigate through city traffic and tackle steep terrains with multiple pedal assist levels and thumb throttle. This Cityscape offers a range of riding options to cater to individual preferences in varying road conditions. Moreover, it incorporates a Shimano 7-speed drivetrain, ensuring efficient pedaling and seamless gear shifting. Comfort is paramount when it comes to city rides, and the Heybike Cityscape does not disappoint. The bike features a suspension fork that absorbs road shocks and vibrations, providing a smoother ride even on bumpy city roads. The ergonomic saddle and adjustable handlebars allow riders to establish their ideal riding position, minimizing strain on the wrists, neck, and back. Further enhancing comfort are their wide, puncture-resistant tires, which absorb shocks and ensure stability. Heybike Cityscape is powered by a high-capacity lithium-ion battery that boasts an impressive range suitable for city commuting. Depending on factors, terrain, either weight, and the level of assistance selected, the battery can deliver up to 40 miles of pedal assist range. Charging the battery is straightforward, either by removing it from the bike or directly plugging it in, facilitating quick power replenishment. In addition to its smooth and comfortable ride, the Heybike Cityscape comes with several thoughtful features that enhance comfort and convenience. These include front and rear LED lights for improved visibility and safety, particularly during nighttime rides. In conclusion, we highly recommend the quality and performance offered by the Heybike Cityscape. More excited to introduce the Aventon Aventure 2, which has earned our highest accolades, the best overall electric bike of 2024. This fat tire e-bike seamlessly blends power, style, and sweet features that set it apart. In its price, the Ebike market is crowded, but the Aventure 2 distinguishes itself through its attention to detail and value for money, providing an enhanced overall riding experience. Constructed from robust 6061 single-shot aluminum alloy, the bike is substantial with a weight of 77 pounds. However, its sturdy build allows it to accommodate a total load of up to 400 pounds, integrated into the frame are the front headlight and rear brake signal lights, adding to the bike's streamlined design. The Aventure is powered by an internal 48-volt 15Hh lithium-ion battery, fueling a potent 750-watt motor The battery can be fully charged within 4 to 5 hours and is removable for added convenience. With hydraulic disc brakes, 8 gears, and for assist levels, the bike can reach a top speed of 28 miles per hour. It also includes a throttle feature, enabling the bike hit speeds of 20 miles per hour without any pedaling. Deventer 2 offers flexibility, allowing you to configure it either as a Class 2 pedal assister throttle to 20 miles per hour or Class 3 pedal assist up to 28 miles per hour, or a throttle at 20 miles per hour. Ebike using the mobile phone app by default. The bike ships as a Class 2 1. Standout features: the multicolored display with a matte finish to reduce glare, ensuring easy readability even in bright sunlight. The display indicates the battery level, current speed, total distance covered, signal indicator, and running time. Each assist level is color-coded, allowing for quick reference at a glance. Overall, this model delivers top-level performance at an unbeatable price. Quality ratio: you wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 electric bikes in 2024. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.